Having messy code sucks. In the past, when I've written Kynetx applications, I would have tons of lines of CSS and emitted JavaScript in the global block of my application, which makes it messy. Now we have a solution for this. This demo application has some JavaScript and CSS, appends HTML to the page, and does some alerts inside the JavaScript. Running this app, you'll see that the JavaScript first shows an alert, then it loads the CSS, and the rule calls a function in the global JavaScript that shows another alert. Now, I no longer have to deal with this messiness. I can pull out the JavaScript, I can pull out the CSS from my Kynetx application, and I can also remove the global block since I'm not using it in this application anymore. Now what I can do is create a CSS file and a JavaScript file and then put them anywhere on the web. For this demo, I'm using my public Dropbox folder, and I've got my JavaScript and CSS loaded in there. Now, once I've put them on Dropbox, I can come back to my rule, and in the meta block, I can use the syntax of use, the type of file that I'm using, resource, and then the URL. So for JavaScript, it's use JavaScript resource URL, and then for CSS, it's use CSS resource, and then the URL for the file. Now, I'll modify the application to show that the app is in fact different. I'm loading external CSS, and in the JavaScript, I'll show that you're loading external JavaScript and change the alert in the function call. So now, once I have this saved and committed back to the Kynetx servers, we can go back to our web page, run the application, and we'll see that the application has in fact loaded the external JavaScript, still runs the same, and the CSS loads, and it shows exactly the same. Now I can run and build Kynetx apps that look much cleaner and are easier to maintain with external resource files.